So you just bought the pack of Turbo Attacks from.
I'm so excited!
You bought Turbo Attacks from Sainsbury's, and like this is just so hype, guys. We're going to see what's inside.
You could get 8 gold foil cards, guys.
Yeah. What's your opinion on this bit?
There's 6 cards in a pack. That's pretty good. Okay.
Let's see what's inside. What entails.
Okay. Firstly, these are fucking.
Wait, you got Sebastian Vettel? No way, guys! Oh my gosh! Yo! You got Lewis Hamilton! No way! No way!
You got BNT rating?
Yo! Let's go! Let's go, guys!
Man!
We got Gasly.
Oh
Yo!
my god!
Max!
Wow, he looks cool.
Look at his hands. He looks like he's gonna fight, guys.
Shit.
Oh, looks shiny.
Shiny Lewis Hamilton.
Shiny
That's
Lewis
rare.
Oh my
That's
It
rare.
looks expensive.
Good pull, guys.
Yeah, we've got the pack. That pack a lot.
It's a good pack, guys.
Yeah.
I'm really excited to see where this goes.
I like his 96 headphones.
You could beat anyone in a fight of Turbo Attacks. So, like, try and challenge Aaron in a fight. You won't.
Aaron's got a powerful selection going.
With
I think it's really cool.
Shiny.
With two
Shiny
Lewis
edition.
Hamiltons,
That's
one
like
of them
getting a
shiny guy.
Pokemon.
It is, yeah.
I think it's really impressive, guys.
Pokemon.
So yeah, guys, remember to hit that subscribe button.
Make sure you like.
And subscribe and comment below. Hit the bell icon for a free gift card giveaway.
$90 Fortnite card.
We will check for this.